Hi guys, I'm Fabio D'Avenia, detailer for LaboCosmetica, and this is our chemist Giacomo.
Hi everybody.
In this video, we're going to see the difference between Omnia and Omnia 2.0. Now, Giacomo will explain the differences to us.
The new formula has been developed in order to contain a bactericidal and virucidal activity tested active ingredient.
Let's say that this is the most important aspect of the evolution from Omnia to Omnia 2.0.
Exactly. Therefore, we have followed the need to expand our range of bactericidal and virucidal activity tested products. In fact, we have put an active ingredient in it, which has passed the strict international UNIN 14.476 tests for virucidal activity. The product has proved to be effective in disabling viruses, like for example the Vaccinia viruses. Vaccinia viruses belong to the category of enveloped viruses, like coronavirus, and the strict UNIN 1.276 and UNIN 13.697 bactericide test.
Okay.
The second point, Omnia 2.0 has been mixed with a fragrance in order to make its use more pleasant. And above all, it's a fragrance that does not irritate mucous membranes. Therefore, in no way does it bother the user, either with the trigger or with the vapor jets.
With the vapor jets?
Exactly. Its cleaning and foaming properties and its safe use have, of course, not changed.
Therefore, the product in its cleaning action, in its characteristics, has remained the same. Simply, these two pluses have been added. The most important one is the bactericide and virucidal action, and then the fragrance added to the formula.
Only pros, no cons.
Thank you, Giacomo, for the explanation. And now let's do the tests. All right, let's start with the dilutions now. We're going to dilute both products 1/3. Therefore, 1 part of product and 3 parts of water. Perfect. Let's start with Omnia 2.0. Remember, in the red bottle. And then let's dilute Omnia Classic. Dilutions are ready. We can start. Giacomo, what does the test consist of today?
So, the test consists of measuring the bacterial load through the bioluminometer before and after using the product to prove the bactericide activity of Omnia 2.0.
So, we're going to see the difference in decontamination between Omnia and Omnia 2.0 through some tests.
Exactly. The guidelines indicate that a rough surface, therefore representing the maximum degree of contamination, because microorganisms are much more likely to be inside the roughness, has a value for which it can be considered sanitized at around 500 to 600 RLU. For very smooth surfaces like the ceramics of the plate, the value for which the surface can be considered sanitized is even lower, at around 200 to 300 RLU. One last thing, consider that in operating theaters, where an almost sterile environment is required, the limit is about 50 RLU.
right, Giacomo, tests are over. Give us the response.
As we could see, both products, however, both with the use of the brush and the simple wipe of a cloth, have proved to have a good decontaminating action. Clearly, the action of OMNIA 2.0 has been much more effective. In fact, the values of bacterial contamination that we have measured at the end of the treatment are 10 times lower than the original OMNIA.
We were able to fall to values even below 200, but they're really excellent results.
In fact, as we could see, even if the results obtained with OMNIA are good, because we have a residual bacteria load below 2,000, which is in any case considered acceptable, especially for a car, we have seen that with OMNIA 2.0, we've fallen even below 200. So for example, one could even eat on the car door.
All right, great. Therefore, we've seen the potentials of OMNIA 2.0 and what it is capable of. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Greetings from me and Giacomo. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.